Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here, and I call today's episode The Tale of Two Retailers. So look at JWN. JWN released earnings after hours yesterday. You can see the massive pop-up. Look at this, and it held. It's not like it popped up and then it came right back down. So that's what JWN did. It released earnings, and yeah, the pre-market kind of dropped a little bit. But the AI looked at this one and said, hey, I think we should go long at 26. And so far, so good. I mean, it's at 27 right now. I've been saying in the room that this level right up here, which looks like this is the after hours high yesterday, it's kind of a key level. If it can take that out, it still has room to move. So that's the one. And that actually also showed up on my 10-day daily breakout. Right there at 25.41, so a little bit even earlier than the AI. ANF though. Look at ANF. Now that showed up on my 10-day daily breakdown at 31.21. Okay, and just give me a moment. So let's take a look at ANF. I'll type this one in. And remember now, the alert was at 31.21. So they also released earnings after hours. And I'm sorry, they released earnings pre-market. Okay, pre-market. And maybe they had this little pop after hours, maybe in a sympathy with JWN. People thinking, well, maybe with with Nordstrom's releasing such great earnings, maybe this retailer will do something the same. Anyway, the bottom line is they released before the market opened today, and key rash. And so that one showed up in my 10-day daily breakdown at 31.21, and it got down before it had a little bit of a pop. That's over a $2 drop. So I call this one the tale of two retailers. We have Nordstrom's soaring higher, and Abercrombie and Fitch. I always have a tough time saying that one on the way down. So a couple of interesting retail trades in the trading room today. So I want to get back into that trading room. So let me close this down. Any questions you have for me, you can use this email address. The promo code is still valid in the email you're getting. You'll see you can still get 20% off first month only or the entire year. And by the way, if you do take out a monthly subscription and at some point you want to upgrade to an annual, we'll honor that 20% promo. And that promo will be good until 11:59 p.m. Monday, this coming Monday. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern Time. Have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.